Good morning, students. Today I will teach you more about the motion blocks. Now in your chapter only two motion blocks have been explained. The first one is move 20 steps. Here it is given 10 steps, and the next one is turn 15 degrees. Okay, clockwise. Turn 15 degrees clockwise, turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise. Now if you want to move the sprite, okay, this one, move 20 steps. Now what is it? It is basically move 20 steps forward direction. Okay, the sprite will move in forward direction. But if you want to move the sprite in the backward direction, for that what you need to do is you just need to put the minus sign like this, minus 10. Alright, so with this, what will happen? The sprite will move in the backward direction. Is that clear? Now next block is turn 15 degrees clockwise and turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise. Now let's do it. Turn 15 degrees clockwise, and I've put minus 10. Let's see what will happen. You can see on your screen right now that the sprite is moving in the backward direction. Okay, the sprite is moving in the backward direction. Alright, student. The next topic in your book is given drawing a colorful circle. Okay, now to draw a circle or to draw any line on the stage, for that you have to click on this pen block. Okay, you have to click on this pen block. Now when you click on this pen block, you can see so many different blocks: clear, stamp, pen down, pen up, set pen color, change pen color, set pen color to, change pen shade, set pen shade, change pen size, and set pen size to. Okay, so these are the different blocks which is there under the pen block. And what you can do with the help of the pen block, you can allow the sprite to draw lines on the stage. And you can also change the color and the thickness of the line. Now let's do some activity over here, which is already given in your book. Now I have already clicked on this pen block. Okay, now in the pen block, you can see under the pen block, you can see the option pen down. You can see the block pen down. Now what I will do, I will drag this pen down and I will put it under turn 15 degrees clockwise. Okay. Now I will click on set pen size to. Set pen size to. It's given set pen size to 1. You can, if you want, you can change the size of the pen also. That means set pen size means the thickness. Okay. Now place it below the pen down. I have placed it below the pen down. Now from pen size 1, from 1 to 10 you can change any number. So let me give you 7. Okay, I have changed from 1, I have put it 7. Now the next I will use change pen color. Change pen color by 10. Now I will drag it and put it underneath set pen size to 7. Change pen color by 10. Okay, now here what I can do, from 10 to 20 I can change the pen color. Okay, between 10 to 20. Pen size between 1 to 10 and pen color from between 10 to 20. So let's make it 15. Okay, I have chosen 15. Now what I will do, I will keep on clicking on this blocks, and let's see what will happen on the stage. Can you see the changes? A circle is being drawn in a circle. What is happening? The sprite is moving 20 steps forward in 15 direction, pen down. Okay, means it will draw a line. The size, the thickness of this line is 7 and the pen color is 15. Now let's change it over here. Let's make it 20. Let's see what will happen. You can see a circle has been drawn on the stage. Okay, so this is how you can draw a circle, a colorful circle on the stage. Now let me tell you more about this pen block. I've told you pen down. What is the use of pen down? The pen down block helps you to draw a line as the sprite moves on the stage. As the sprite will move on the stage, okay, in the backward, it will draw a line for you. Okay, set pen size, this one. Set pen size to 1. What does it do? This block is used to set the thickness of the pen. I've put it 7. So right now, the thickness of this line is 7. And I can change the pen size from 1 to 10. Okay. Then next is pen color. So this one is pen color. Change pen color by 10. So pen color I can change from between 10 to 20. Pen size 1 to 10 and pen color 10 to 20. So this is the step through which you can draw a beautiful circle or a colorful circle on the stage. Thank you, children.